Hop. Guys, demek boshlaymiz mana. Bugungi article mana bitta reading. Sekin article analiz qilib boshlayveramiz. Hop. Davay, ketdik. Hop, boshlaymiz. Why we dream. Plus bugungi topic mana shu. Mavzu, article temasi Why we dream, ya'ni hozir o'qib qolamiz. The science behind your slumber and the benefits of drifting off the dreamland. What does it mean, that slumber, guys? Slumber. Hope. The science behind your slumber and the benefits of drifting off. Okay. Drifting off. Guys, mana. Ikkita chotga so'z chiqdi mana o'zi kirishimiz bilan. Slumber. Mana. Slumber. Hop, drifting off. Hop, ikkalasi ham bu uyqu degan ekan. Bu narsa bu ham uxlash degani. Ana dreamlandda просто uyquda suzib tushdagi suzib yurish demoqchi. Drifting off deb. Bu ham uyqu, ikkalasi ham uyqu ekan. The science behind your slumber and the benefits of drifting off the dreamland. Uyqu ortidagi science, bilim, ya'ni aynan nima yotadi uyqu ortida demoqchi va o'sha dreamland tushdagi shu tushda suzib yurishni foydalari demoqchi. Demak, ketdik. Aynan nimaga tush ko'rishimiz haqida hozir. Ya'ni to'g'ri tush ko'rishimiz haqida gap ketadi. Okay, let's get started. On average, odatda demoqchi. Ko'pchilikda demoqchi. O'rtacha demoqchi. We spend about a third of our lives, or around 26 years, sleeping, 6 years of which are spent drifting off to dreamland. Hop, o'rtacha biz hayotimizning 1/3 qismini yoki 26 yilini uxlashga sarflaymiz. Va shuni 6 yilini o'sha uyquda tushlarda suzib yurishga sarflanar ekan. During an optimal 7-hour sleep at night, 7 soatli optimal uyquda demoqchi, uyqu davomida the body experiences sleep cycles with 4 stages, which together take between 90 and 110 minutes to complete. Shu 7 soatli optimal uyqu davomida, kechki uyqu davomida bizni tanamiz 4 ta etapdan, ya'ni 4 ta shaklga ega bo'lgan uyqu siklini, uyqu aylanmasini boshdan kechiradi deyapti. Ya'ni 90 minutdan 110 minutgacha vaqt oladi ular deyapti. Hop. The first 2 stages called NREM1 and NREM2. Ya'ni non-rapid eye movement. birinchi ikkitasi NREM1 va NREM2, ya'ni non-rapid eye movement. Ko'zlarni unchalik tez harakatlanmasligi demoqchi. Involve light sleep that lasts up to around 20 minutes. Shunchaki ozgina yengil uyqu hisoblanadi demoqchi. 25 minutgacha davom etadi deyapti bu. Hope. NREM3 is the stage of deepest sleep and lasts for up to 40 minutes. NREM3 bo'lsa deyapti. Ya'ni juda ham chuqurroq uyqu hisoblanadi va 40 minutlargacha davom etadi demoqchi. Around 75% of person's sleep is spent in NREM sleep. Mana shu NREM stajlar, ya'ni NREM qismlarida 75% uyqu odamning uyqusi sarflanadi deyapti. Dreams can occur through each of these stages. But during the final REM stage in the cycle, brain activity picks up and we begin to vividly dream. Shular har bitta mana shu qismlarda sodir bo'ladi, lekin asosiy REM qismida, aynan shu cycleni REM qismida miyamiz bitta tiniq bo'lgan tushni oladi va o'shani ko'rishda davom etadi demoqchi. In each of these 4 to 5 sleep cycles that occur in one night, the REM sleep stage increases in duration with each new cycle. Har bitta shu 4-5 soatli cycleda demoqchi, uyqu siklida demoqchi, mana shu REM stage, ya'ni REM qismini vaqti ko'payadi demoqchi. Masalan, 10 minutdan mana shu 1 soatgacha cho'zilishi mumkin demoqchi. The REM sleep stage is also when people are most likely to spontaneously wake up in the morning demoqchi. Xo'p, ya'ni aynan mana shu REM qismida odamlar birdan turib ketadi-yu, masalan, o'zidan o'zi turib ketib qoladi. Aynan shunaqa, ya'ni katta ehtimolli bor shunaqa o'zidan o'zi turib ketishini demoqchi. Spontaneously, guys. Spontaneously, like all of a sudden. You can say that. Okay, let's see. How spontaneously. Spontaneous. Spontaneous means happening or done in a natural, often sudden way, without any planning or being forced. Ya'ni tabiiy bo'lishi va ko'pincha holda kutilmagan yo'llarda plansiz yoki nimadir bosimlarsiz sodir bo'ladi demoqchi. Spontaneous. Wake up in the morning, okay? How 3 parts of the brain play a key role during REM sleep and allow us to dream. Miyaning 3 qismi REM sleep, ya'ni REM uyqu davomida asosiy rol o'ynaydi demoqchi va bizga tush ko'rishimizga yordam beradi. Xo'p. The hippocampus, amygdala and cortex. Aynan bular mana shu hippocampusga, amygdala va cortex qismiga. Hop. Each of these regions of the brain allows us to tap into the emotional, visual, and memory content of the dream. Hop, guys, mana. Hop. Tap into. Men shularni yozib ketaydi. Tap into. Hop. Tap into means to use or gain access to something, typically a resource, supply, or network, in a way that provides benefits. It implies making connection, accessing something to your advantage. The company tapped into network. Tap into, guys. Make connection. Connection to benefit. Right. Hop. Each of these regions of the brain allows us to tap into the emotional, ya'ni emotsional holatlarga bog'lanadi demoqchi. Ya'ni bog'lanishga yordam beradi demoqchi. Aynan har bitta mana shu miyaning qismi, mana amigdala, hippocampus, kortekslari gaplashib o'tdik hozir. Aynan shular har bitta qismi demoqchi emotsional holatlarga, visual va ayni o'sha dreamdagi, ya'ni tushimizdagi nima ko'rmoqchi bo'lsak, o'shalarni ga shu uchta qismga, ya'ni visual, aynan tushdagi nima ko'rayotgan bo'lsak o'sha narsaga va emotsional holatlarga bizni bog'lab beradi demoqchi. Aynan shu uchta miya qismi. As for the purpose of dreams, as for guys, you probably know it, right? As for ga kelsak degani. Shularni maqsadiga kelsak demoqchi. Okay. As for purpose of something deymiz, Okay. Okay, so tushlarni ya'ni aynan asosiy maqsadiga keladigan bo'lsak, demoqchi, scientists still aren't entirely sure. Ya'ni olimlar haliyam to'liq sure emas demoqchi. Scientists think that they help us process emotions, retain information, cement new memories. Guys, cement degani bu yoqda chuqur ma'nosi bor buni. Birinchisi o'sha o'zimizni sement, o'sha qurilishda ishlatiladigan. Xo'p. Ikkinchisi ikkita ekan, adashibman. Nimadirni yaxshilash degani, nimadirni kuchaytirish degani. Cement degani. Yes, let's check. Hop, ketdik. To'g'ri ekan. Hop, scientists think that they help us process emotions. Olimlar ishonadiki, ular bizga shu aynan tush ko'rishlarimiz, bizga emotsiyalarimizni shu process, ya'ni birorta jarayon nimadir o'sha emotsiyalarni boshqarishda degan bo'ladi. Ma'lumotlarni saqlab qolishda va bizdagi yangi xotiralarni kuchaytirishda ishlaydi dream demoqchi. Aynan tush ko'rishimiz demoqchi. Studies have shown that during sleep, izlanmalar shuni ko'rsatdiki, o'qish, ya'ni uyqu davomida, those that spend more time in REM sleep have lower fear-related brain activity the next day and may be less prone to developing post-traumatic stress disorder. Hop. Endi bu yoqda aynan izlanmalar shuni ko'rsatdiki, uyqu davomida aynan REM qismida mana tush ko'radi-yu, aniq bir boy ko'rib chiqdik. Shu tush ko'rish uyqusiz sikl davomida aynan miya faoliyatiga keyingi kundagi masalan miya faoliyatiga tegishli bo'lgan qo'rquv juda ham kamroq bo'ladi demoqchi. Yoki masalan har xil odam bo'ladi-yu, kunida bir yaxshi bo'lmagan bo'lishi mumkin, to'g'rimi? Kuni yaxshi o'tmagan bo'lishi mumkin, nimadir stressli holatga tushiradigan ishlar bo'lishi mumkin. Xullas mudhish voqealar bo'lgan bo'lishi mumkin, to'g'rimi? Aynan shu tushlarni ko'rishimiz demoqchi, shunga masalan post traumatic stress disorder degani shunaqa stress kasalida bu. travma bo'lib qoladi. Shunaqa kasalliklarni oldini oladi demoqchi. Ya'ni shunaqa kasalliklar rivojlanishini kamaytirib yuboradi demoqchi. Ko'rishimiz demoqchi. But don't worry if you don't remember your dreams. Agar tushlaringizni eslolmasangiz, xavotir olmang demoqchi. Not everyone does. Hamma ham qila olmaydi buni. Tabiiy demoqchi. Around 250 people report having never remembered a dream in their lives. 250 dan shu 250 dan masalan nechta qism deydigan bo'lsak 1 in 10 1 in 10 around 1 plus 250 odamdan hech bo'lmasa bittasi umuman shuni eslamaganligini aytib o'tadi hayotlarida demoqchi. Masalan 250 odam bor. Har bitta 250 odam olasidagi masalan o'shalardan ichidan bittasi hech bo'lmasa shunaqa der ekan. On average o'rtacha a person will experience between 4 and 6 dreams per night. Oh my god, guys. You see 4 and 6 dreams per night. Har bitta kechga 4 ta yoki 6 tushni ko'rib chiqar ekanmiz. Har bitta masalan siz ham men ham. This is because the memory storage region of the brain called the hypothalamus is inhibited during the REM stage and doesn't record your dreams. Chunki demoqchi aynan xotira saqlaydigan miya qismi demoqchi, ya'ni aynan hypothalamus degan nomga aynan REM stage'da to'xtab qolar ekan va tushlaringizni rekord, ya'ni yozib olmas ekan. Shunga eslolmas ekan ko'p tushlarni, faqat bittasini o'sha oxirgi paytda aytganimda REM sleepda aytdik-ku, shuni turib ketib qolishi mumkin ekan. Aynan o'sha vaqtda turib ketib qolganligi uchun o'sha tushni eslaysiz. Ko'pincha masalan guys eslab ko'ringlar, hozir aynan shu narsa REM sleep haqida gapiryapti-da. Uxlaysiz, uxlab turib birdan shuni turib ketasiz. Turib ketganingizdan keyin nimadir tush ko'rayotgan bo'lasiz. Shuni eslaysiz-da, keyin o'zingiz uyga kelganingizdan keyin eslolmaysiz. Aynan mana shu joyda REM stage ketayotgan bo'lar ekanda. Hop, ketdik. Davom etamiz. Restorative sleep. Hop, during sleep the brain undergoes a period of rejuvenation. Undergo. If you guys don't know what that means, undergo degani experience, boshdan kechirmoq degani, go through degani. Experience. Hop, go through. Nimadirni boshdan kechirish degani. Undergo, guys. During sleep, the brain undergoes a period of rejuvenation. Rejuvenation degani yangilanish, yosharish degani. Yosharish vaqtini miya boshdan kechiradi demoqchi. The brain cells form. Miya hujayralari, cells degani hujayralar, guys. Masalan, form degani qurmoq. Ya'ni aytibdilar shakllantirmoq degani, form. Recognize, taniydi, and repair themselves. Va o'zlarini tuzatadi demoqchi. To cement memories and knowledge. Mana. Cement. Guys, you don't know. Cement knowledge. Bilimni kuchaytirish. To cement memories kuch va o'sha bilim va tushlarni yaxshilaydi, kuchaytiradi. It's also quickly working to remove all the waste that's built up within it. O'zidagi keraksiz narsalarni yo'qotib yuboradi. During the day, our brains are naturally flooded with all sorts of molecules such as proteins and carbon dioxide, which scientists call interstitial metabolic waste products. Hop. Flooded with degani to'lgan. Flooded with. Flood with. Flood with in the context of meaning can signal being overwhelmed or inundated with. Guys, mana inundated with. Overwhelmed. Yes. Flooded with. Ya'ni nimadir juda ko'p, shunday ko'payib ketishi, to'lib ketishi, уже kontrol qila olmaydigan darajada bo'lib qolishida bu narsa. Flooded with. Inundated ham shunaqa. Inundated. I'm sorry. Inundated with. So it means large quantities. To'lib ketmoqda, ya'ni hop. Shu uyqu davomida miyamiz tabiiy holatda judayam har xil turdagi molekulalar bilan, masalan, proteinlar, karbon, shu karbonat angidrid, aynan keraksiz mahsulot deb hisoblanadigan aynan shu molekulalar bilan to'lib ketadi demoqchi. These can be harmful to the brain if they're not removed. Aynan bular yo'qotilmaydigan bo'lsa, miyaga juda katta harmful zarari bor degan. Harmful to, guys. Hop, harmful to something. Harmful bilan to ishlatiladi. Prepositionlarni ham esdan chiqarmayman. Harmful to something. Hop. Causing or likely cause them harm. Harmful. Hope. Okay. That's where the brain's drainage system comes. Drainage system. Miyaning drainage sistemasi keladigan joyi, ya'ni aynan comes into play. Aynan mana shu joyda asosiy ishni qiladi demoqchi. Come into play. Something comes into play. Hop. Aynan o'yinga kirishadigan payti. Hop. Becoming active, operative or effective. Something comes into play. Something becomes active, effective, or operative. Hop. Aynan mana shu qismi miyaning o'sha drain sistemasi aktivlashadigan joy, ya'ni o'yinga kirishadigan joyi. Known as glymphatic clearance. Glymphatic, guys. Many of this just known as glymphatic clearance. Glymphatic clearance deb nomlangan. This evicts waste products from the brain and it drains them away. Waste away degani chiqarib tashlash through the body's lymphatic system. Waste away, guys. Waste away. Omadiyim sizlar deyman ey. Waste away means gradually become thinner, weaker, and less vibrant, often due to illness or lack of proper. Nimadir kamayishi degani ekan, nimadirni kamaytirish degani. Okay. So this process is most effective while we sleep. Aynan tepada gaplashganimizdek REM uyqularni gaplashdik-ku. Aynan shu process bu yoqda aytdik, masalan undergoes a period of rejuvenation deyapmiz. Rejuvenation qismi. Bu process deyapti bizga juda ham effective, ya'ni juda ham what can we say, guys? Like most effective, asosiy unumdor qismi. While we sleep, uxlaydigan paytimizda, with some studies suggesting that twice the amount of waste proteins are cleared from the brain during the sleep. Ya'ni ikki karra o'sha protein keraksiz mahsulotlari miyadan tozalanadi, aynan shu qismida demoqchi. Studies have also linked a reduction in the effectiveness and subsequent accumulation of with the development of with the diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia, guys. Mana ikkitasi kasallik, dementia bilan Alzheimer degani. Hop, neurological diseases degani. Ya'ni aynan neurologik kasalliklar rivojlanishi bilan bog'langan ekan. Studies link something with something. Hop, nimadirni bog'langan ekan. Hop, mana shuni yozib qo'ying. Link something with something. Juda chotki frazada bu. Misol keltirib ketaman. He linked the idea with the idea of self-improvement. Okay. Aynan mana shularni tozalash, boyaga aytib o'tib ketgandik-ku. Keraksiz moddalarni, molekulalarni chiqarib tashlash yoki qolib ketishi demoqchi. Studies have shown linked the reduction in the effectiveness of agarda masalan shunaqa keraksiz moddalarni kamayib ketadigan, ya'ni yo'qotishini effektivligi, ya'ni yo'qoladigan bo'lsa, o'sha yaxshi shu moddalar miyada qolib ketadigan bo'lsa, tozalanmaydigan bo'lsa, aynan mana shu narsa shu neurologik kasalliklar bilan bog'langan, rivojlanishi bilan bog'langan. Agarda keraksiz proteinlar yoki karbon dioksidlar to'planib yo'qotilmaydigan bo'lsa, shunaqa kasalliklarni rivojlanishiga olib kelishi mumkin demoqchi, bitta so'z bilan aytganda. Hop, okay. 5 tips to help you remember your dreams. Hop, 5 ta maslahat o'sha tushlaringizni eslab qolish uchun demoqchi. First, look at your diet. ya'ni o'sha dietingizga qarang demoqchi, ovqatingizga nima yeyotganingizga qarang demoqchi. Some studies have found that vitamin B6 can improve person's ability to recall their dreams. Guys, recall one dreams. Recall degani eslamoq degani. Mana yozib qo'yaman sizlar uchun. Recollect mana. Hop. Recollect ham eslamoq degani. Remember. Okay. Ya'ni eslamoq. Hop. Ba'zi o'sha izlanmalar shuni topdiki, vitamin B6 ayni odamni nimadirni eslab, tushlarini eslab qolish qobiliyatini rivojlantirishi olib kelganligini topdi demoqchi. Foods such as bananas, avocados and milk are a good natural source of the vitamin. Ya'ni vitaminlarni tabiiy source, ya'ni aynan manbai hisoblanadi. Aynan mana shu bananlar, avokado yong'oqni yoki milk, sut. Hop, ikkinchisi. Xullas, ovqatingizga qarang, nima yeyotganingizga qarang, vitaminlar ko'proq yeyapsizmi? Aynan B6 bor ovqatlarni yeyapsizmi, yo'qmi? Shunga e'tibor bering demoqchi birinchisi. Ikkinchisi, tell yourself you will. Aynan siz nimadir qilishingizni ayting demoqchi. The power of suggestion for people can help to recall dreams. Ya'ni uxlayapsiz kechasi, men ertaga tushimni eslayman deb o'sha narsani aytib qo'ying demoqchi. The power of suggestion for people can help to recall dreams. Nimadirni odamlar uchun nimadirni maslahat berish kuchi tushlarini eslab qolishga yordam beradi demoqchi. Yoki o'zingizga emas, boshqa odamlarga ham aytsangiz bo'lar ekan shu narsani. Simply telling yourself throughout the day that you will remember your dreams is believed to improve recall. Yani aynan eslab qolishni o'zingizga aytishingiz, kun davomida tushimni eslayman deb, bugun qarab turib tushimni eslayman deb aytib yurish aynan eslab qolishingizga rivojlantiradi demoqchi. Hop, birinchisi mana shu. Ya'ni prosta o'zingizga ayting demoqchi. Yoki kechasi o'sha uxlashga endi yotganingizda to'g'rirog'i, mana shu tush ko'rsam eslayman deganini o'zingizga aytib qo'ying demoqchi. Keep a routine. O'sha bitta tartib bo'lsin demoqchi. Routine bo'lsin, ketma-ketlikda. Ensuring that you maintain regular and optimal sleep periods gives you the best chance of experiencing the longest possible REM sleep, resulting in vivid dreams to recall. Aynan har kungi optimal uyqu vaqtlarini shakllantirish va saqlab qolishni ta'minlash deyapti sizga beradi. Aynan eng o'sha REM sleepdagi eng uzoq bo'lgan qismni sizga berishga ta'minlab beradi. Aynan uzoq bo'lgan qismni boshdan kechirishni imkoniyatini beradi demoqchi. Va bu narsa demoqchi, tushlaringiz clear va tip-tiniq, ya'ni unaqa nima deydi? Vogue eski, xullas xayolingizda turadi, tiniq, mana shu kallangizda turadi, turdingizmi eslaysiz hamma narsani. Shu narsada ya'ni aynan shu narsa rezultat bo'ladi, boshingizda tiniq turadi shu narsa demoqchi. Hop. Bask in bed. Don't leap from your bed as soon as you wake up. Ya'ni turib ketmoq. Leap from your bed. Ko'raylikchi. Leap from suddenly an energetic get out of bed, leap. Ya'ni joyidan turib ketmoq deganiga. Turishingiz bilan joyingizdan turib ketmang demoqchi. Taking a few moments before rising gives your brain, especially the amygdala, time to process and recall your dreams. Xullas, turib ketmaysiz, ozgina o'ylaysiz nima bo'lganligini. Aynan shu davr sizga, ayniqsa amygdala, shu nima ko'rganligingizni eslashga, u narsani ustida ishlashga yordam beradi demoqchi. shu narsani aytyapti. Bu yoqda to'g'ri. Grab a journal. Hop, bitta jurnal tuting. Having a journal and pen next to your bed is a great way to jot down. Guys, jot down, write down degani, yozib olmoq degani. Your dreams as soon as you wake, before they fade away. Fade away, guys, from something. Mana sizlarga jot down, write down, okay? Hop, fade away, yo'qolmoq, xiralashmoq. Okay. 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 Synonyms. Go past, at, wane, dissipate. Okay, evaporate, appear. Yes, guys, vanish. Yo'qolmoq degani. Fade away, vanish. Okay. Hop. O'sha aynan yotog'ingizni oldida next to your bed demoqchi. Bitta jurnal yoki pen bo'lishi demoqchi. Aynan dream, aynan turishingiz bilan tushlaringizni yozib olish uchun juda katta yaxshi yo'l demoqchi. Before they fade away, before they vanish from memory. Tushingiz mana xotirangizdan o'chib ketishidan oldin yozib olishi zo'r yo'l demoqchi. Hop. Ketdi. The consequences of dream deprivation. Deprivation degani nimadir yo'qolishi demoqchi. Tushlar yo'qolish oqibatlari demoqchi. How our bodies respond to being denied access to REM sleep. Aynan REM sleepga access, REM sleep bo'lmay qolsa qanday bizni tanamiz qanday javob beradi bunga demoqchi. Mental health disorders. Ya'ni aqliy salomatlik kasalliklari kelib chiqaryapti. The development of anxiety, depression, and other mental health disorders have all been linked to the poor dreaming. Yaxshi tush ko'rolmaganlarda demoqchi. Masalan, depressiya va shu anxiety. Nima desa bo'ladi? Jahli chiqish, depressiyaga berilish, har nimadir siqilish, shunga o'xshagan mental, ya'ni aqliy kasalliklarning rivojlanishi bilan bog'langan demoqchi. Hop. Hormone imbalance. Sleep deprivation can lead to hormonal imbalances and disrupt the endocrine system. This can affect mood, cognitive function, and even future sleep cycles. Hop, gormonlar ya'ni balansda bo'lmasligiga olib keladi demoqchi. Agarda masalan uyqu yetishmaydigan bo'lsa, balanslar buzilishiga, aynan mana shu endocrine system, balanslar saqlab turadigan tizimni buzilishiga, ya'ni bezovta qiladi shu sistemani demoqchi, tizimni. Bu narsa natijada demoqchi, bizni kayfiyatimizga ta'sir qiladi. Ya'ni boshimiz, mana aqliy qobiliyatlarimiz qanday ishlashiga ta'sir qiladi va keyinchalik masalan uyqu sikllariga ham ta'sir qiladi demoqchi. Cardiovascular disease. Hop. Cardiovascular degani o'sha let's see. I knew it. Cardiovascular. I know. Yurak qon tomir kasalliklari edi. Da. Yurak qon tomir. Cardiovascular disease. Yurak qon tomir kasalliklari. Okay. Those who suffer from obstructive sleep apnea, a condition associated with a reduction in REM dreaming, also have an increased risk of developing cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Yurak qon tomir kasalligi va diabetlarni shakllantirish bilan bog'langan demoqchi. Aynan shu narsa. Pain sensitivity. Hop, some studies have shown that a reduction of REM sleep and dream deprivation may increase a person's sensitivity to pain. Hop, og'riqlarni sezish, ko'p sezishni boshlaydi. Oldin masalan unchalik e'tibor bermagan bo'lsa, hozir kichkinagina mana og'riqni ham his qiladi. Aqliymi, physical bo'lsinmi yoki mental bo'lsinmi yoki spiritual bo'lsinmi, shunga susceptible bo'lib qoladi. Hop, obesity, ya'ni semirish demoqchi. When people haven't had enough REM sleep, it can increase the production of ghrelin, also known as the hunger for hormone, which affects our appetite. Ishtahani mana ghrelin degan moddani ishlab chiqarishni o'qilar ekanda, bu narsa qorinda ochirib tashlar ekan. Ya'ni och qolib ketasiz demoqchida. Masalan, yesangiz ham to'ymay turaverasiz. Yana yeyish kelaveradi. Ha, bu narsa deyapti, o'sha semirishga olib keladi oxirida. Immune system. Generally, odatda demoqchi, sleep promotes a healthy immune system. Uyqu o'zi sog'lom immunitet tizimini targ'ib qiladi demoqchi. Lekin demoqchi, some studies have found a reduction in REM sleep relates to increase in inflammation in the body. Increase in inflammation, guys. Okay. Inflammation. Inflammation degani yallig'lanish ekan, guys. Aynan tanamizdagi yallig'lanishni kuchaytirib yuboradi demoqchi. Immunitetimizni yomonlashtirib yuboradi demoqchi. Okay, slumber, we haven't written it yet. Slumber, sleep, or to sleep, drifting off. Okay. Xullas uxlab qolish demoqchi. Va tush ko'rish. Hop, guys, so we have talked about why we dream, right? So we talked about why we actually dream and stages of our, like we talked about cycle of sleep, right? And then there are few more cycles, NREM and REM sleep cycles, so stages actually, and we learned what it causes, why, and now we understand why we have to sleep and why it is important. Plus, uyqudan anaqa kechmasdan iloji boricha masalan 5-6 soat deyaptimi, o'sha masalan 5-6 emas 4-5 soat edi. 4-5 soat bo'ladigan bo'lsa aniq vaqtlar qo'yib olingda. Agar o'sha narsa buzilish bo'ladigan bo'lsa demoqchi, o'sha boyagi aytib o'tib ketdik, mana nima oqibatlarga olib kelishini ko'rib chiqdik. Mana shularga sababchi bo'ladi demoqchi. Lekin nima deydi, ozgina narsaga ham jahlingiz chiqib yoki qorningiz ochib nimadirlarga yoki просто mood yo'qolib qoladi, kayfiyat yo'qolib qoladi. Endi o'qidik shuni, endi sal chuqurroq fikrlashni boshlaysizda. Endi o'ylaysiz, nimaga kayfiyatim yo'q deb, endi masalan bitta do'stingizni gapirgan gapiga emas, endi faqat chuqurroq o'ylashni boshlaysiz. Demak shu balkim tushimda qaraysiz, yaxshi uxlamaganligingizni esingizga tushadi-da deysiz. Shu yaxshi uxlamagandim, uyqum buzilgan, shunga qornim ham shunga ochib ketyapti yoki shunga ozgina kayfiyatim yo'q, menimcha deb turib, mani fikrlashingiz ham o'zgaradi. Guys, you have to learn. Okay, this has been reading session, so I think we gotta finish it. So we have a lot to do, so I'm gonna stop it. Okay. What?